You mentioned that scalability is one of the major benefits, right, of moving to the cloud in this case. Can you dive a little bit deeper into how quickly and how easily is it to scale the GPU computing resources in the vGPU setup compared to the on-premises infrastructure? So if a customer were to come today and ask us for a GPU, how easily and quickly can we put it together for them?
So we have the resources on stack. Usually it's within minutes. As I said, spinning up a virtual machine with GPU, dedicated GPU, it's taking about 15 minutes to set up the template on the dedicated server node where it needs to be allocated. Compared to the on-premise, where unfortunately I was in that spot on my previous job, so it took like a month to set up everything and to do the verification, compatibility checks, testing, so everything can be processed without any issues. And here it's, as I said, it's within minutes, and mostly it's just transferring the data of the VM. So that's about it.